Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We've got our SQ5 supported on our 2-post lift. If you were doing this on the ground with a floor jack, you'd need to use the floor jack. There's only 4 points in this vehicle you can lift it on. It's right here where we have our lift arms. Say for example, you want to lift this corner of the vehicle, you'd have to come in here with your floor jack, jack up in this area here. You can actually see there's a cutout in the frame. You put your floor jack in here, lift up the vehicle, and then put a supporting jack stand underneath it for whatever side you're doing. If you want to have both wheels off, you do both sides in the front. When we come back to the rear, same thing. You'd have to use a floor jack where there's this opening in the plastics. This is the reinforced part of the frame rail that can be lifted on. So lift this up with the floor jack and put a supporting jack stand underneath it. And do the same for both sides if you want to raise the rear of the vehicle, or you can put 4 jack stands and raise all 4 corners of the vehicle up off the ground. But that's how you raise and support this vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.